Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Math Magic Workbook Standard 3rd. Now, today we'll see the second part of chapter 9. In the previous video, we have completed page number 148. Today we'll start from page number 149. Now see understand. Means आज आपको understood करना है. I will explain you. Note the. It would roughly translate into R. Roughly जो हम translate करें उसको तो R. See, हम tables बोलते हैं ना 1 1 za 1 1 1 za उसमें translate होता है za. If we roughly translate then it's a R. Now see, here dots are given, then how many times are given and total dots and read and speak. See, here only one dot is given. So how many times? One dot one time. ये one dot है और एक time है, one time है. So one dot one time. Total dots 1 1 za 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. And read and speak. उसे कैसे बोलते हैं? तो 1 1 za 1. उसे speak करते हैं ना 1 1 za 1. Similarly here 2 dots. See, 1 dot 2 times. एक ही dot है, वो कितनी टाइम्स है? एक जैसे है. कितनी टाइम्स है? 2 टाइम्स है. 1 2 जा 2. 1 2 जा 2. सिमिलरली एक टाइप के डॉट्स है, कितनी टाइम्स है? 3 टाइम्स. 1 2 एंड 3. 3 टाइम्स. 1 डॉट 3 टाइम्स. 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3. How it can be speak? 1 3 जा 3. Then one dot one टाइप की डॉट है 4 टाइम्स. 1 डॉट 4 टाइम्स. 1 4 जा 4. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. 1 4 जा 4. Now see, 5 dots are there. 1 dot 5 times. 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. 1 5 जा 5. Similarly 6 dot है. 1 dot 6 times. 1 6 जा 6. 1 6 जा 6. 7 dot 1 dot 7 times. 1 dot 7 times. 1 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7. 1 7 जा 7. Now see, 8 dots are there. 1 type के 1 dot 8 times. 1 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8. 1 8 जा 8. Now see, next one 1 टाइप के डॉट है. 1 डॉट 9 टाइम्स. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9 इज इक्वल टू 9. 1 9 जा 9. नाउ सी, एक ही टाइप्स के डॉट्स है, कितनी टाइम्स? 10 टाइम्स है. ओके, 1 डॉट 10 टाइम्स. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इज इक्वल टू 10. 1 10 जा 10. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट वन, अंडरस्टैंड. ग्रुप ऑफ 2 डॉट्स. यहाँ पे कितने डॉट्स है? 2 डॉट्स है. ग्रुप ऑफ 2 डॉट्स के ग्रुप है. 2 डॉट्स के ग्रुप कितनी टाइम है? 1 टाइम है. सो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 2 डॉट्स 1 टाइम. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 इज इक्वल टू 2. 2 1 जा 2. यहाँ पे अगेन 2 डॉट्स का ग्रुप कितनी टाइम है? 2 टाइम्स. 1 एंड 2. 2 डॉट्स 2 टाइम्स. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. 2 2 जा 4. नाउ सी, 2 dots 3 times. 1 2 and 3. So 2 dots 3 times. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. Here 2 dots के ग्रुप्स कितनी टाइम्स है? 1 2 3 and 4. So 2 dots 4 times. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. Now see, 2 dots के ग्रुप कितनी टाइम्स है? 1 2 3 4 and 5. 2 dots 5 times. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 2 5s are 10. Now turn your page. Page number 150. See here. 2 dots के ग्रुप कितनी टाइम्स है? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 2 dots 6 times. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. 2 6s are 12. Now see, 2 dots groups how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and 7. 2 dot 7 times. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. Now see, 8 times. 2 dots 8 times. 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. 2 8s are 16. Now 9 times. 2 dots 9 times. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Now see, 2 dots how many times? 10 times. 2 dots 10 times. 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. 2 tens are 20. Now we will see the third ones are table. Similarly, that's the only group of 3 dots. Now we have to see the group of 3 dots. First of all, we have see the 1 dot, then group of 2 dots. Now we will see the group of 3 dots. See here, understand, group of 3 dots, how many times? Total dots, read and speak. 1 time is there. 3 dots के group कितनी times है? Only 1 time. 3 dots 1 time. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 ones are 3. Here 3 dots 2 times. 3 dots 2 times. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 twos are 6. 3 dots 3 times. 3 dots 3 times. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 threes are 9. Here 3 dots 4 times. 3 dots 4 times. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 3 fours are 12. Now here 3 dots 5 times. So 3 dots 5 times. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 3 fives are 15. Here 3 dots 6 times. 3 dots 6 times. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 3 6 are 18. Now see, 3 dots 7 times. 3 dots 7 times here. 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. 3 sevens are 21. See here, 3 dots 8 times. 3 dot 8 times. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 3 eights are 24. Now see, 3 dots 9 times. 3 dots 9 times. 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to 27. 3 nines are 27. Now see last one, 3 dots 10 times. 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 30. 3 tens are 30. In short, you have to learn the table. Okay. From here only, this standards only, you have to learn the table, learn by heart. The table is the must. Okay. सभी चीज में हमें tables चाहिए, तो आपको tables learn करना है. I request you to learn the tables. Now we will see the next page, page number 151. See, main 6, fill in the missing space with number on the basis of the table. Here circle is given. In that, in your book, missing place is also given. Here it's a multiply by 2. If we start from 1, here answer is given, here 2. It means 1 2s are 2. Okay. Here in your book it's given 12 and here it's a 6, means 2 multiplied by 6 or 6 multiplied by 2. 2 6 are 12 and here 16 also given and here 8. 2 multiplied by 8 or 8 multiplied by 2. 2 8s are 16 or 8 2s are 16. Now we have to fill the vacant empty space. Now here 10. 10 multiplied by 2 or 2 tens are 20. Now see, if we start from here, then here 4. 2 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 2. 4 twos are 8. Here it's a 5. 5 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 5. 5 twos are 10 or 2 fives are 10. 6 2 6 are 12 also given. All okay. Now see next one, 2 multiplied by 7 or 7 multiplied by 2. 2 sevens are 14. Here already given 2 multiplied by 8. 8 multiplied by 2 16. Now see 9 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 9. 9 twos are 18 or 2 nines are 18. Now see the second circle. Here also multiply by 3 is given. Now whatever answer already given, that see here 3 multiplied by 4 or 4 multiplied by 3, 12 is given. Okay. Now here 21 also given. 7 multiplied by 3 or 3 sevens are 21 or 7 threes are 21. Now we will start from here this 8. 3 8s are or 8 threes are 24. Now 9 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 9. 9 threes are 27. Now see 2 threes are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. Now see main 7, fill in the blanks space in a circle. ये circle जो हमारे है वो empty है. on the basis of the table. Here it's a given 3 and here it's a 15. Now see, if we see the 3 ones are table, then how it's 3 ones are 3, then 3 twos are 6, then 3 threes are 9, then 3 fours are 12. See, 15 आ गया ना, 3 fives are 15, then 3 6 are 18, then 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30. This way you have to complete the empty space. Here your video is completed. We will see the next exercise in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.